So if you're given two vectors, there's one, and let's say this is another one, and you want to add them geometrically, the best way to do it is to get some tissue paper and copy. But if you just want to do it by hand and estimate, then what you would do is you would, and it really doesn't matter, by the way, if you take u plus v or v plus u geometrically, even though you'll get a different triangle, the side you connect from tail to tip will be the same vector in the same direction. So it'll be the same vector equivalent anyway. So what you would do then is you would take, say you want to add the vector in green to the vector in red, then you would take a copy of the vector in red, and you could just eyeball it, right? That's pretty close. And then the vector in black right there that connects the tail of the vector in green to the tip of the vector in red would be the sum. So if this is u and the vector in green is v, then the vector in black would be u plus v. And I'll say one more thing about that. If we had then a vector u and a vector v, what if we wanted to take, let's go with the other order now. How about v plus 2u? Now you guys tell me, geometrically then, that's what we're doing, geometric addition, which is important. How would we do this? What should you do first? Should you double the size, the length of u, or should you try to add first and then do something with the 2? What makes sense?
Double the length.
Double the length of u, and then do the addition as usual, right? So I'm going to double the length of u, and again, I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm going to say that 2u probably looks something like that. Would you buy that? And then I'd have to draw, if I weren't using technology, I'd have to draw another copy of that, but I am using technology. So I'm going to, if I want to find v plus 2u, I attach to the tip of v the tail of 2u. Let me move this down. And then to get the actual vector v plus 2u, I connect the tail of the first vector to the tip of the second vector in the addition. So there you go, v plus 2u.